Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 24 of saving $10 a day in April. I am working really hard on getting my minis stash kind of cleared out. And I think yesterday when I finished, I said it was day 22. And I blame the random sticky note that fell on my other sticky note that said the proper day. So, you know, it's high tech over here. It's really high tech over here. So let's get our prep coins. So I bring $10 every day and I have $10 in prep coins. So we're going to switch those out. Let's put our 5 and 5 ones in here. And we've been finishing a bunch, so I don't anticipate that today, but we shall see. Do another little mix up. You never ever know what the dice and prop coins want to decide. All right, so we are starting at number 6 with 2 prop coins. Flip to number 1, 1 and 2. So how are you doing? What's the weather like? Is it getting hot already? Did you have a spring? Are you having a spring? We had really cool weather and then it got hot for a couple days, but then it's supposed to cool off again. Ooh, 3. So I don't know. It's so confusing. But it's still really nice out, at least so far. That's a 1. I don't know if everything's in frame now that I think about it. All right, sorry about that. 1 for 1. 2 for 2, and it had a little hop, so let's see what 3 does. 3, it hopped into a 3. I have it turned this way so it can come out of the stairs and go that way. So far it seems to be working. 1 for 4. 1, 2, and 3 for 5, and then 1 for number 6. And then we will start at 1 again. All right, so I don't need this. Alright, so number 1, let's see what we got going on here. We have $1, so 50, 25, and 25. And number 1 is from Bookish Mama Budgets. I still have my markers out because I just filmed 23. So we have $1, so I'm going to do another column. I'll be right back. All right, so there we go for number 1. That'll save us $5. And then number 2 has $1, $2. $2 going into number 2, and that one just needed 75 cents. Guess who forgot to fill it up again, but that's okay. I know we have 1 more in here. And we already have another version of this in here, but that's okay. It says, The Enchanted Owl's Nest, Owl About That Cash. So we can put $1.25 in here. Nope. What did I just do? Okay. I need to finish this one first. Look at me just rushing ahead. So this one's from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we finished that one for $2. Now I can go into The Enchanted Owl's Nest and do $1.25. All right. So I'm not liking the Crayola clicks that much, and I'm not liking it more, but I like the way it colors, like it feels really smooth, but I'm still, like everything else I don't really like, so I don't know. I'm trying to because I know other people really like it. So we have $1.50 going into number 3, so I'm still giving it more of a shot. Okay, so this one is from Becca Budget 777, and I made each little circle 25 cents regardless of what it says. So we have $1.50. Oh, we just shy. We missed 1. So we needed $1.75 to finish, but we got $1.50. So I'm going to color these in and I will be right back. All right, so next time we can just finish that one, and this will save us $4. All right, and then number 4. Got another $1.50 going in here. Let's see what we got. We have this from Sassy Ginger Budgets. So we need, or we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25 and 50. So 75 more cents, and this one will be done. From Sassy Ginger Budgets. All right, number 5 got $1, $2.50. I think you can see all that. Oh, this is one of the little ones. So we have $2.50. So 1, 2, and 50. So I'm going to color all that in. I will be right back. All right. So this one for number 5 is from Owl, or the Enchanted Owl's Nest. Owl about that cash. Wow, that was a tongue tire, tongue twister. All right, number 6. We have $1.50 going into number 6, and that one is, oh, we needed 75 cents. So we finished this one from Budgeting with Bree, $14.87. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. Yay! We have 75 going into a new one, but we don't have anything in here. That is empty. So I'm going to grab this first one that I have, which is one of mine on top. I think this used to be for sale on my Etsy, but I don't think it is anymore. Let's see. So we have 75 cents. So I'm going to do 25, 50, and 75. And they're just little North Pole signs and a goofy little Rudolph. All right, so that one will go in here. And let's see what we need to get for our completed ones. Let's put our prop coins away. Okay. And we finished $6 and $2. So that's $8 today. So we have 5 and then 6, 7, and 8. Let's put our paper clip on one. Forgot to do that. Okay, and then we go back to the back. Put our $8 in there. And 2 more challenges in here. Yay, day 24. Sticky note still in sight. Oop, that's getting a little full. All right, while I'm sitting here, I'm like, okay, that's mine. Road to 1K. That's kind of a big one. Another road to 1K. Lindsay. 1, 2, 3, farmer's market. Okay. Oh, we have another puppy one. Another one from Candy. 1, 2. All right, I'll get it sorted out. But here's a couple that we can put in there right away, just in case I forget. Again. Yay! All right, guys, that is all I have for day 24. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. And I have a busy day today, but that's all right. Lots of stuff going on. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and a fantastic weekend ahead. And until next time, take care. Bye.